What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And before we jump into this video, I had to redo this intro because my mic is apparently messed up. So I'm not sure how many clips are messed up as well. I know the second one was pretty good, but anyway, redoing this one. The footage for the car meet and everything, that was about a month ago. But I want to kind of talk about where I stand now. I did take a couple month break. Nothing really major going on. Just took a mental health break. I've actually took a break from a lot of YouTube. I haven't been commenting on the homies videos, the car community videos and stuff. So I definitely apologize. I haven't been commenting and watching your stuff. I'm gonna try to start getting caught back up. About to be on vacation for a little bit, so I'll have some time. So if you see me commenting on couple month old videos, that's why. Also, do want to talk about the car. It was down for a little bit. Since I haven't been doing videos, I haven't been doing my normal cold start, get behind the car and seeing how everything is. So I believe that caused some issues where I didn't see smoke coming from the car, because usually I just get in the car and I go. But without doing that cold start, of course, having a camera there, I didn't see it. So I'm not sure how long it was going on, but I did see some smoke. I think I went to check the mail one time, left the car running, and when I was coming back to the car, I saw a little bit of smoke. So went to Infinity of Sanford, and the homie Lewis. Make sure if you need a service advisor, you hit him up. He actually hooked me up so they can diagnose the car, and come to find out there was oil in the turbos. I didn't really notice too much issues with the car performance wise. It was kind of hard because I'm thinking it might have been in my head, because it did feel a little bogged down, but I think it might have just been in my head, honestly, because it's not like I'm really pushing the car anyway. So anyway, once they found that, they did go ahead and swap out the turbos under warranty. So definitely shout out to them for that. Didn't have to pay anything. They had the car for about a week. It probably would have been quicker, but I didn't have anything where I needed the car or anything like that, so I told them to take their time. It's no rush. Plus it was like around my birthday, so it was like my birthday weekend, and so they gave me a loaner and got the car back, and it's been great so far. Everything's good, and I still have time on my warranty, so we are all good on that front. But there's been a lot of changes, not on the car. There may have been just the carbon fiber mirror cap covers. That might be the only change on the car. I'm not 100% sure if I did a video since then or not. I swapped out the fake carbon for the real carbon, so those are on the car. But also, the homie Javi, the president of the lineup, he has a new car. His previous Q60 was totaled, unfortunately. Also, I think I might have put that, I might have shown the car in the last video, but we'll see that again later on in this video. And the homie Angelo got a new car as well, but I don't know if he wanted to talk about that yet. So yeah, but yeah, this video is a car meet, like I said, from a month ago, so we'll definitely be going over some of the homies there. There's quite a few new homies as well. It was really new for me because I hadn't been out for such a long time, so I was meeting a lot of them at the same time. But I want to let you guys know that we are going to be heading to we're heading to Atlanta for the Znationals. They're going to have at Z1, I believe it's on the 28th of September. So by the time this video goes up, I'm probably on the road to Georgia. The homies are going to come up the day before, and they'll be there for the Saturday meet. We're doing the car show. We're not doing the Friday event because I think they got track day and everything. So I will be there for the whole week. So if you got any meets or anything, feel free to let me know, and I'll be trying to link up with a lot of the homies in Georgia while I'm there. Hopefully we can get some photo shoots and stuff like that, and link up with the homie Square Wheels. So we'll see. But yeah, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. I believe we're starting with the cold start. Oh, also, shout out to all of you that was reaching out to me on social media to make sure I was good. I definitely appreciate it. Definitely didn't intend for the break to be as long as it was, but yeah, it was much needed. So, but let's get on over there. Okay, so we are at the pre-meet. Kind of took over. We're still trying to. We're trying to arrange some of the cars. Mostly because there was a lot of people trying to get through and we don't want to take up too much space, but we still have quite a few people on the way, so this is not everybody, but we'll be rolling out here probably in about 10 to 15 minutes. And that's Javi's new car. He had the white one with the Blitz bumper, and now this is the new one. So definitely stay tuned for the mods for this one. And we got some members over here. Looks like we got somebody at the light too, so I'm checking, see who that is. But definitely let me know which car is your favorite. And I'll save the rest for when we get to the meet. Alright, another member showing up here too. You just... My girl. Oh, okay. I was like... But yeah, so that was good timing. And Luis and Luis. Or Lewis and Luis, I'll say. All right, oh, yeah, I know couple prospects, and then we have the lineup.
Don't, no, you're not putting.
Why is this one so big this time? This one's super big and
As you can see, the lineup has grown. Alright.
You got the full camera set up.
Yep. So we got the Mopar squad. They pretty deep too. Definitely feeling this squad. It's always dope when y'all. Wait. Dang, they deep. Cause they got some on the other side too. Yeah, 407 Mopar. Yeah, 407 Mopar. They pretty deep. And got a bunch over here too. Alright, so yeah, I kind of got sidetracked, talked with everybody. So I didn't do a proper ending while I was there. But I'm gonna do it here. I really need to get this headliner done because, yeah. Anyway, it was a pretty good turnout. My first time going to that location. First time being out in a minute. It was dope seeing all the cars, and that Mopar squad definitely showed up and showed out too. So they were definitely looking pretty good as well. But we had a pretty good turnout for our crew. Yeah, but I'm not gonna ramble too much on this one. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.